Okay. Today let us see about a very interesting chapter or concept, probability. Now, to define the probability, consider some statements like the chance that India will win cricket match against Pakistan is high. Second statement, the chance that it will rain on say 15th August is high or is more, and the chance that it will rain on 26th January is low. So such statements are called as probabilistic statements because there is an amount of uncertainty in these statements. ಅನಿಶ್ಚಿತತೆ ಅಂತ, ಅನ್ಸರ್ಟನ್ಟಿ, ನಿಶ್ಚಿತತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಬಬಿಲಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೋ. ಅದು ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು, ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ರೇನ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ, ರೇನ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಹೈ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಥವಾ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಮೆರಿಕಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೈ ಕಷ್ಟ, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? ನ್ಯೂಮೆರಿಕಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲೇ. Probability is what? It assigns a numerical value. A numerical value or numerical measure to such probabilistic statements or to such statements with uncertainty. So, for example, when a coin is tossed, the chance of occurrence of head and the chance of occurrence of tail is same. So we may say that head occurs with probability 1/2, half, with probability half, and the tail occurs with probability half. So this is a numerical measure. This is called as the probability. So to define the term probability, we require some important terms. To define the term probability, we require some important terms. Those are, let us see those terms one by one. First one, random experiment. So we have to define what is random experiment, then what is the sample space, what are the events, different types of events. Then we go to the definition of probability. So what is a random experiment? You know what is meant by experiment? An experiment is a means of getting an answer to the problem. Random experiment is one in which we cannot predict the outcomes in advance. You cannot predict the outcome in advance. For example, tossing of a coin. For example, tossing of a coin. Here we cannot predict the occurrence of head in advance. Head may appear or tail may appear. If we repeat the experiment more number of times, the results they differ. We cannot get the same outcome at every trial. So such an experiment is called as the random experiment. For example, another example, throwing of a die. Throwing of a die. Throwing of a die is a random experiment. Or drawing of a card from a pack of cards. It is also a random experiment. Because we cannot predict the occurrence of a particular card. Any card may appear. So that is a random experiment. So now let us see the definition of sample space. Sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called sample space and is denoted by S. The set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is S. For example, in tossing of a coin, in this experiment, what are the possible outcomes? Head and tail. So what is S? S is, it is the set of H and T. It consists of two outcomes. And in throwing of a die, what are the possible outcomes? The outcomes may be 1 or 2 or 3, 4, 5 or 6. So S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a sample space. The set of all the possible outcomes in a single throw of a die. Similarly, when a coin is tossed 2 times or when 2 coins are tossed, what are the possible outcomes? Say the first coin, second coin. Say H. Suppose head occurs on the first coin and head occurs on the second coin. The coin is tossed 2 times. So first trial head, second trial also head. First trial head, second trial tail barbo. First trial tail, second trial head barbo. Two trials tail barbo. These are possible outcomes. So what is S in this case? Yes, in this case is the set of HH, HT, TH, TT. HH means occurrence of heads on both the trials. Okay, when a coin is tossed 2 times, this is our S. Similarly, when a die is thrown 2 times or when 2 dice are thrown, what is S? S consists of 36 outcomes. When a dice is thrown 2 times, 2 dice are thrown on board, or when a die is thrown 2 times. So 36 events or 6 raised to 2. 36 relay 2 raised to 2, 4. A coin is tossed 2 times. So what are those 36 events, or what is S? S is say first die, second die, number of the first die 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, second 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 dice are thrown. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈ ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ 1 or number 1 may appear on the first and also on the second. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Next, first die, the number is 1, second die shows the number 2. So 1, 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1, 2 ಇದು ಉತ್ತಮ. ಇದಾಗಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಇದಾಗಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ 1, 3 ಆಗಬಹುದು. 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 6 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So on. Last 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So these are the 36 possible outcomes when a die is thrown 2 times or when 2 dice are thrown. So S consists of 36 elements. This is what is a sample space. So random experiment and sample space. Now let us define an event. Define an event. Definition of event. Event. Any subset of the random space, any subset of the random space is called an event. Any subset of yes, sample space is yes. For example, in tossing of a coin, in tossing of a coin, what is yes? Yes is H T. And any subset of this, for example A is H, B say T, occurrence of head, occurrence of tail. These are 2 events. These are called, because any subset is an event or events. Similarly, in tossing out a die, in tossing of a die, what is S? S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It consists of 6 elements or 6 outcomes. Any subset of this, say A is 1, similarly B 2, C 3, like that. Say C 6 or B, we take B. Next C. These are the subsets with single element, singleton. single element, or C may be 135, D may be say 246, E say 146, like this. Any subset. So how many subsets are there? 64. 2 raised to 6, 64 subsets. They are the events. And here C is called the event of occurrence of an odd number, 135. And D is an event of occurrence of an even number. These are called as the events. And an event with single number or single element or single sample point is called as an elementary event. For example, A equal to 1, B equal to 6. These are the elementary events. Similarly, B equal to say 3 or 5. An event or a subset with a single element or single sample point is called as an elementary event. And an event which consists of more than one sample point or 2 or more sample points is called as a compound event. So what is compound event? It consists of more than one or 2 or more elements of the sample space. For example, C equal to 135, D equal to 246, these two, or E equal to 146, these are called as the compound events, because they consist of, say C consists of 3 elementary events. So this is about simple event and compound event. Similarly, any subset of this is an event, and if you take an event called as A equal to, in throwing of 2 dice, suppose let us define that A equal to getting doublet on both the dice or on the throw of 2 dice. So getting doublet means this consists of the events 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. Doublet. Number 1 on the first line, number 1 on the second line, or number 1 in the first line, number 1 in the second line. These are called as the doublets, and this is A, and this is the subset of S. So this is also an event. This is called as an event, and this is a compound event. Because what are the elementary events here? 1 1, 1 2. These are elementary events here. Elementary events of S. So this is about elementary event and compound event. An elementary event consists of single outcome, whereas compound event consists of more than one or 2 or more outcomes. That is, 1 1 is a single outcome. Okay, this is about elementary and compound events. Next, let us see about algebra of events. This is also required in probability. Algebra of events. Algebra of events. So union of 2 events. What the first one? Union of 2 events. Union union of events. Two or more will go. Union of events. Union of events. The union of two or more events is an event of occurrence of at least one of them. At least one of them. At least one of them. The union of two events A and B. The union of two events A and B is an event of occurrence of A or B. A or B. It is denoted by A union B, union of A and B, or A plus B no ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬುಕ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ A plus B, or A or B no A or B notation. Example, for example, in say throwing of 2 points, in throwing of 2 points, what is S? S is HH, HT, TH, TT. Okay, let A equal occurrence of both the heads, and B is the occurrence of both the tails, or occurrence of head on both the points, occurrence of tail on both the points, that is B. Then A union B is the occurrence of this HH or TT. Either this occurs or this occurs. This is A union B. This is called the union of two events. Next, intersection of events. Intersection of events. You have studied this in mathematics also. Union, intersection. What is the intersection of events? Intersection of events. Intersection. Intersection of events. Intersection of two or more events is the occurrence of all of them. Occurrence of all of them. Ille union dolage occurrence of at least one of them. Here all of them. Occurrence of all of them. Occurrence of all of them. For example, the intersection of A and B is the intersection of A and B are the two events, is the occurrence, is the event of occurrence of is the event of occurrence of both, all of them are both A and B, both A and B. It is denoted by A intersection B. A intersection B. Now अथवा और A intersection B नो अंतरो और AB simultaneous occurrence of A and B नो अंतरो AB और A and B नो और occurrence of A and B ये रीति A and B. उदाहरण so for example in throwing dog, say a die. What is S? S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let A be an event. So which is 1, 2, 4 and B be an event. So which is 1, 3, 4. Then A intersection B. Then A intersection B is what? Common element. So 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4. Common 1, 4, 1, 4. So 1, 4. Or if second example, if A is say odd number 1, 3, 5 occurrence of odd number, B is the occurrence of even number 2, 4, 6. Then what is A intersection B? Then A intersection B, there is no common element, so it is null set. Null set. Because odd number is even number. ಎರಡು ಒಮ್ಮೆ occur ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. Either odd number occurs or an even number occurs. So A intersection B is null set. So this is about union and intersection. Next, complementary set complementary event. Complementary event. Complementary set ನೀವು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ. What is complementary event? The complementary event of an event A. The complementary event of an event A. The complementary event A. The complementary event of an event A denoted by A bar. It is denoted by A bar. Denoted by A bar is an event. Again, what event? Is an event which consists of all the elements of S, all the elements of S except those in A, A ದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಸ್ ದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಂದ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಎ ಬಾರ್ ಅಂದ್ರು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ so if S is, for example, if S is say 1 2 3 4 5 x 5 6, if S equal to this and A is 1 3 5, then what is A bar? What is the complement of A? A bar, it consists of all the elements in S except those of A. So 1 3 5 ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೇನು 2 4 6. ಇದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರು. A bar is 2 4 6, ಅದು ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಅನ್ಬೋದು, ರೈವಲ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ, ರೈವಲ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ rival. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ note that or remark is, note that A union A bar. What is A union A bar? A union A bar is 1 3 5 2 4 6 or 1 2 3 4 5 6. A union A bar, which is S, which is nothing but S. And what is A intersection A bar? A intersection A bar. A intersection A bar, there is no common element, so it is again null set. If A and A bar are complementary events, then A union A bar is S and A intersection A bar is null set. This is what algebra of events, union of events, intersection of events and complementary event. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಬಲ್ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ವರ್ಬಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನೋಟೇಷನ್. ಈ ವರ್ಬಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಐದರ್ ಎ ಆರ್ ಬಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಇದು ವರ್ಬಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್. ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೌ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್? A union B, either A or B. Then both A and B, or both of them, ಇದು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ A ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ B ಅಂತ ನೋಟೇಷನ್. A intersection B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು occurrence of both A and B ಅಂದಂಗ. Then A, occurrence of A but not B, A but not B, A but not B, that is A intersection B bar, not B ಅಂದ್ರೆ B bar. A but not B. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ B but not A, A bar intersection B ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅನಂತರ neither A nor B, neither A nor B. So A bar intersection B bar. A bar intersection B bar. Neither A nor B. Or neither of the two. Neither of the two. Then at least either three तोड़ना either A or B or C. Three इधर the same. A union B union C. All the three A intersection B intersection C. So this is what verbal description I have notation of a different events. So this is about event time algebra events. Again there are different types of events. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Types of events. Types of events. Mutually exclusive ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ exhaustive events. Mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. ಆನಂತರ what are the favorable number of cases? ಅವೆಲ್ಲ definitions ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆನಂತರ we define probability. What is probability? So we require different types of events to define probability. So let us see it tomorrow. Types of events. So today what we studied? See probabilistic statements. And if you assign a numerical value or number to those probabilistic statements, that number is the probability, or probability is a numerical measure of uncertainty. Then random experiment, sample space, event, algebra of events, union and intersection, and their verbal description and notation. So different types of events and the definition of probability. Let us see it tomorrow. Thank you, one and all.